You've heard the rumors, a mysterious facility in Alaska, massive antennas pointed toward the sky, and a program so secretive, people believe it can control the weather. For years, the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, or HAARP, has been at the center of one of the world's most explosive conspiracy storms: earthquakes, floods, even mind control. But what's the real story? And why does this theory refuse to die? The story begins in the 1990s, when this remote facility was built with 180 antennas designed to study the ionosphere, the electrically charged layer of our atmosphere that affects everything from radio waves to GPS signals. Scientists said HAARP was simply a research lab, but others weren't so sure. Almost immediately, conspiracy theories erupted. People started noticing unusual weather patterns that seemed to line up with testing dates: freak storms, strange auroras, and sudden temperature shifts. Some claimed HAARP could send powerful energy beams into the sky, heating parts of the atmosphere and steering jet streams. Others believed it could trigger droughts, hurricanes, or even earthquakes by vibrating tectonic plates with electromagnetic waves. The theory grew larger as unexplained disasters struck around the world. Hurricane Katrina's unusual path, massive floods in Asia, sudden cold snaps in regions that had never seen snow. Every event fueled suspicion that HAARP, or a similar hidden program, was manipulating nature. But the most chilling belief is this: HAARP wasn't built to observe the atmosphere, it was built to weaponize it. Whether as a tool of war, imagine being able to cause storms over rival countries, disrupt food supplies, or cripple power grids. Some theorists claim governments would do anything to possess that kind of power, and HAARP was just the prototype. Then, in 2014, the US Air Force announced that HAARP was being decommissioned. But instead of calming the theories, it made them explode. Why shut down a harmless research center? Why quietly hand it over to a university? Why guard the site so heavily and restrict access for years? Too many. It felt less like an ending and more like a cover-up. Adding to the mystery, HAARP isn't the only facility of its kind. There are similar research sites in Norway, Russia, and China. Some believe these locations form a hidden global network, a system capable of influencing climate and communications. Scientists push back, arguing HAARP doesn't produce nearly enough energy to control storms or earthquakes. But skeptics point out that global powers rarely reveal the full extent of their technology, and history is full of secret experiments the public only learned about decades later. The question remains, why do so many people believe this? Because our weather is changing. Storms are stronger, heat waves more intense, and disasters more frequent. In a world where so much is controlled, is it really impossible to imagine someone would try to control the sky, too? So is HAARP just a science project? Or is it the tip of a secret weather engineering program? Is nature still natural? Or is someone, somewhere, quietly pulling the strings?